Hey y'all, this is Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the December Planything subscription box titled Winter Florals. Y'all, I know I'm late. It literally just arrived today. Good old USPS. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and without further ado tear into this thing because we've waited long enough for it, right? We've waited more than long enough for it. So the box is titled Winter Florals. As you can see, it has the blues, the purples, that gray, really pretty colors. It does have a list of the items here on the back side, so I'm just going to stick this up here and we can go ahead and get this thing unboxed, unpacked. Alright, let's stick this to the side and I'll just start at the top. So we've got a roll of washi here. Let's cut it open. Why is it so difficult for me to get into washi? I do not know. I do not know, said the little cat. Alright, so we have this blue background with all of the florals. Let's put it down here, see if that works. So here is the December washi. I'm tempted to say this month, but y'all, this box is so far behind. Goodness. Okay, the next thing we have looks like a B6 notebook. Didn't actually open it though. Did all of that. Let's see. Okay, let's see. There we go. So y'all, this very pretty. And it's just a dot grid B6 notebook with the Planything logo there on the back. So this is the B6 notebook. Next, let's look at this pen, y'all, because this blue is cute with that gold glitter, with that glitter in the paint. Let's see if this will focus and let y'all see that. Y'all see that? It's pretty. And those crystals, it's like a rose colored. It's pretty, y'all. So this is a, I think this is a gel pen, y'all. Planything logo there on the barrel. So this is the pen. Next, I know this is what y'all been waiting for. It's what I've been waiting for. We have the Planything Winter Florals sticker book. 414 stickers on 30 sticker sheets. One thing I like about Planything is that we get double sheets of everything. So, and I also believe that her more recent books have the clear matte paper, which is awesome because I cannot stand glossy stickers. So we have this first and second sheet. Like I said, you get 2 sheets of everything of these beautiful florals. Y'all, they are pretty. I like that one. So pretty. And then we've got a white matte paper, and this is nice. Y'all know I'm not a fan of blues or purple, really. That's pretty. But this book is nice. Let's see if we can do something about this glare. Adjustments. Okay. Some more bouquets, and then it goes into these wine gold colors, the grays, the steel blues. Oh, and then the navies, the midnight colors. The matching paper stickers. I love this combination. And then those are the last 2 sheets. So we have the Winter Floral sticker book. Last but not least, y'all, we got another mini cover. I've really been enjoying these because this is what I've been doing with my B6 notebooks, carrying them in a TN strings cover and using them for notebooks in my purse. I still have my mini planner, my mini happy planner in my Fancy Plans quilted cover, but excuse me, my mini is in a Notique quilted cover, but will very soon be in a Fancy Plans cover. And I use B6 notebooks in this to have a notebook, something to jot ideas down while I'm on the move. So this is the mini planner cover, and obviously this would fit a mini or a B6. Alright, y'all, so here is the December 2021 Planything subscription kit titled Winter Florals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.